Today update this one, we are going to learn how to set Z3X Crack box work without using box and dongle. So first of all, you can stop antivirus you have in your machine like SmartDAV and Malwarebytes. You can come here for SmartDAV, right click or double click, slowly, double click, then you press on disable protection until restart, and then you come here to Malwarebytes, then you open, also double click, then you come and click virus and threat protection, then you come to manage setting and pressing on to do off and choose yes. After to do all of this one, you can come and check where you have your tools. This one can remove, and this one also, this one also. Then I go where I have my crack box and tools to Z3. I'm going to install Z3 Pro Box 28.5 Crack, double click, then I come in here, double click also. Just see here how is it. I can install Z3 setup. Here I press on yes, then OK, next, write a desktop icon, next, install. You have to wait a few minutes. Then I remove this, accept for startup directory, then I press on finish. After this I come here to loader, I do double click, then I remove everything like this. I left this one, then I open for my PC, then I open on C, and also I come to program file to check where I install my Z3X. I scroll it down, it's this one, Z3X Pro Box Samsung. I open it. After to open it, you can come and choose this one, then you copy and paste in there like this. You have to choose continue. After this one, you can remove this one or on this one or, and then you come and scroll up this folder on C and do create shortcut. Here it asks you want the shortcut to be placed on desktop. Instead, you must choose yes. After choose yes, you leave it all, and then you come and see here on desktop Z3 Pro Box version 28.2. Then you do right click and choose run as administrator like this, then yes. After to choose yes, you see here there is what it asks you, hardware ID and serial number. For serial number, there is no something you have to add inside. You can only choose on try. After to choose on try, you have to wait few minutes. After to wait, you see Samsung tool pop up come on the screen, then you choose on OK. After to choose OK, you see directory now. The Z3X Samsung Tool Pro version 28.2. It's open. If you want to check the model you want, like a G7, like this, you see, you can find it. Then you select. After to select, you see the way for flashing, or it was inside here. If you want also to write a certificate, you see here, it can ask you, no problem. If you want to read, it was also here. You see how the tool can work. If you want to unlock, you see here, network unlock or reset FLP reactivation, or it was included here. Here there is the unlock instructions which you can use. Here for repair, you see here ADB device not selected because there is no phone which on ADB connected. Here you see also download, the link is also here. This is how you can set your Z3X Crack Tool Pro box without using any box and dongle. Thank you for watching again, and listen, you have to press on view after to press on subscribe. Welcome to my channel back again. Thank you.